Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Minecraft Productive Bees mod. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to go to your web search, and then from here you're going to search for this exactly, Minecraft Productive Bees mod, and you're going to find the first link in the CurseForge right here. Click it, and then from here you're going to manually download it for all game versions, or you can select whichever version you're on. So for me, I'm using the latest one, 1.21.5, so you can search for 1.21 or reduce the version right here. So we're going to select something like 1.20.1. Then from here, we're going to select 1.20.1 and then download it right here. Now we're going to wait for it and going to install it somewhere on the desktop. And now once you have it right here, you're going to go back to your launcher, and I'm using the T launcher currently. And then from here, you can select this folder right here. Once you go to this file, you're going to go to your mods. And as you can see right here, I already have a mod installed, but then we're going to just grab this one that we're going to install right now. So now that's installed, locate it, and then just simply drag and drop to this folder. Now we're going to run Minecraft. Finally, all you have to do is go to the mods section, and from here you can see that the productive lib is the one that we have, or productive bees. And now that it's been installed, then you can configure it, and that's pretty much it. When you play, it's on. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.